Alright, let us continue now that we have of a day 8. My god, so many days have passed. But yeah, we are continuing and we now have a little outdoor area. So I think immediately we should go visit there because I think they will have effects throughout my entire campaign here. Day 8. I should also start with some money now, right? $2. Not much, 2 coins, but it's something. Plus 20 more steps. That's good. Right? 20 more steps. My money. I read a note saying it would be here. Here you go. Allowance. Master Simon, good morning. It has come to my attention that you have been granted a daily allowance to use while on the estate. If it is convenient for you, I will leave the required sum here in the entrance hall each morning. If there is anything else you require, please do not hesitate to ask. Even though we have all been requested to remove ourselves from the premises during your stay, I can assure you I am still personally overseeing that the estate is at least operating at a baseline standard of service that I hope you will one day come to expect of us. Annie Babbage, house manager. Alright, thank you, Miss Babbage. Before I start, I should be heading out. Can I toss a coin in here? It increases my luck, I think. Make a wish. I don't know if that does anything, but we'll do it anyway. Then day 68. I wonder if I can go to the garage. Let's see. We'll check it out. Hovel, special floor plans now cost additional feet. Tool shed give me items. Shelter protects you from the negative effects of the next 3 red rooms drafted. Interesting. This is also interesting. Obviously, we can forget about having gems. Instead, we're gonna have to go for feet. 2 special items is also interesting, obviously. Shelter protects you from the negative effects of the next 3 red room. Give me a tool shed. I want to see items. Oh, it's not special. What is this? This is just a metal detector, bro. It is an item. Watering can. The first time you enter each green room, use water to gain 1 gem. It's 3 gem. Okay, that was maybe not that worth it. That's fine. Be something, I suppose. Ah, I see. So until I have actually reached the garage, the plank is off. I can't actually just enter through the garage. Okay. Makes sense to me. I'm starting with a metal detector and a watering can. Using it to gain gems. Each green room use water to gain it, and then metal detector will allow me to just I don't miss things and just get a chance to, right? Get a chance of finding. I don't really understand how it is a greater chance though. I love a 10 to start with. So I think it's also a greater chance to just exist, which is great. Parlor pantry, give me a closet. Ivory dice, love to see it. And the key, also love to see it. Good start. Okay, something good here. A code check, a parlor or a corridor. Start me off with a parlor here. Ooh, an apple. Wind up key. Now, the black box is black. That's definitely true. The black box is true. We don't know. The black box is empty. So we don't know. Ah, but 1 second. If you assume this is true, that would mean this is also true. But then this is also true, which is not possible. Which means by default this must be false. The black box is true. No, it's not. Black box is empty. No, black box is full. Hell yeah, buddy. Smart. I'm smart. I know what I'm doing. Okay, take me into this corner here. The drawing room. The billiard room. Okay, the drawing room is kind of wasted here. The nook and the billiard room are not. Let's go for the billiard room. Usually coins over here. I mean, at least there were once. Not this time. Okay. We have our mathematical game. I love it. Test my math skills, which we had this in school. Alright, 17, easy. 16 minus 10 is 6, bro. Come on, what do you think I'm a child? 10 times 2 is 20, bro. What the? Divided by? 4 divided by 2 is 2. Holy shit, okay. So order of operations starts with 16 minus 6 is 10 into 20 and then divided into 2 basically. That's just 20. There you go. Good amount of keys. We'll take it. And we'll head over here. A nursery, that's interesting. A pantry or a chapel. Now a chapel sucks up my money, but it is also allowing me to do whatever I want. So I'll take a chapel. I only have 2 coins anyway. Nothing extra for me. Alright, we'll keep moving. Oh, the garage though, just having the garage. 3 keys. It is a dead end, but that's fine. We have the garage now. Gives us 3 keys. And we have no power here. Christoph, this is the 3rd time this month you and the car have been gone when your services were required. I don't care how long you have been driving for his lordship, your absence must be accounted for. Absence must be accounted for, Miss Babbage. Yeah, he's selling like illegal stuff in the car. It's true. But good. Now that we have this, now I have no more money. I don't have to fear the chapel. The drawing room, the nursery, or the nook. I mean, I guess take me to the drawing room. The head on north. The kitchen, the bedroom, and the pantry. How about we redraw the floor plans? The nook, the spare room, and the nursery. Give me the spare room. Got nothing in there. It's spare room, as you know. Bedroom takes me to the side. Nooks take me toward the center. Storeroom keeps me head on. Take me to the bedroom. Take me to the side. Trying to build a canal. I have 6 keys. Okay, well, we're gonna use a key then. Commissary is not good. The boudoir works. There you go. Boudoir. You don't know what this password is. Love to find out. Head north at the boudoir. Do I have the watering can? No green rooms yet, huh? Up there, speaking of green rooms, I don't want a lavatory. Spread gems, each green room. I don't have green rooms, but there you go. Watering can. There you go. Just left some money on the floor. Find a shovel. Oh, hello. Buried below, occasionally you may discover small mounds of dirt in certain rooms of the estate. The shovel one may be able to excavate these suspicious stick spots. This torch foreman grill be turned on? I don't think so. Nice little patio though. Pressing M. Remember, M is not what we want. We are burning through keys though. Now speaking of, oh no, take me to the pantry. $4 and a banana. Another key has been used. Gymnasium, a commissary, or a hallway. Take me to the commissary. Yeah, this thing doesn't work. We know it's Swan Song now. You are selling shovels. I can afford it too. A compass, a sledgehammer, a salt shaker. Give me a shovel first of all. Because the patio was just over here. Come on. Coins. How much? 3. Alright, that's something. More coins. Oh, it's a rock. Oh crap, give me a sec. Alright. You have a room directory too. I keep forgetting about this. Storeroom, we updated it. Blueprint dead end upgrade. Fill the end surplus chest. Invoke gallery. Can never figure out what to do with the gallery too. The Rumpus Room, a uniquely modern fashioned gaming room. The Rumpus Room has provided many guests of the estate with countless hours of recreation. The room is outfitted with a record player, 2 television sets, a collection of board games, and a mysterious antique fortune-telling automaton named Alzara. Wine cellar. The garage. Exciting. Entering and exiting out through the west-facing private drive, the garage serves as a more practical and informal entrance point into the estate. Chamber of Mirrors, reflection of reflections. This confusing room can sometimes prove disorienting to the wayward guest. However, upon closer inspection, they quickly realize that viewing this room from more than one perspective is key to unraveling its secrets. It's not really a dead end because you can open the doors, but it takes time. Dining room, observatory, conference room. Housing an impressively large telescope, Mount Holly's observatory is a window to the world above and beyond the clouds and sky. Though its mirrored lens, even a novice stargazer will be able to distinctively appreciate the wonders, signs, and constellations that perpetuate the tapestry of the night. Furnace, the main centralized heating source of the estate, you may find yourself starting to sweat after drafting this room. Archives, countless shelves of documents and towering file cabinets make this otherwise immense space seem small and cramped. These archives contain almost a century of records and files pertaining to the Sinclair family's numerous interests, many of which are sealed and unable to be accessed. Midstream, the typical example of the accommodation for the live-in staff of the estate. It appears this particular bedroom belongs to one of the maids. Chapel, dark room, lavatory, okay, whatever. We don't need to read everything. Okay, we did buy a shovel. I don't think I can afford anything with 4 coins. I think I need 5. 6 for the compass, 5 for salt shaker, 8 for sledgehammer. Interesting. A walk-in closet with 4 items. Or a nook which lets me keep going. A nook, please. Oh, and a freaking coupon book just lying here. Oh, what the hell, man? I would have found that earlier. That would have helped me out. Does it help me out now anyway? No. Too late. Had I found that earlier, it would have been nice. Stands, still nice, but not that nice. The dark room. Cannot see the floor plans while drafting in this room. The corridor is a safer choice. Let's go corridor. It's always left unlocked, as they say. Office, 2 gems. Walk-in closet or a bunk room. Please redraw me. A laboratory. Ooh, yes. I would like to try the laboratory. Never been inside here. I typically work over at Sneaka Labs, but got sent over here for a month to assist more with the new turbine tests. I think I need some help. For the past 3 days, I have been unable to find the laboratory on the estate. Today was the first success on that front. Can anyone tell me if this is typical, and if so, how do you get any work done? Before I arrived, I was briefed on the way the doors work, but I must admit I did not expect to be excluded from my new workstation for the first week. Any tips from my fellow technicians would be appreciated. Kimberly Thompson. He works at Sneaka. This machine requires additional power piped in from the boiler room. Without any power, I guess it doesn't do anything. Periodic chart table of elements with an arrow pointing this way. Periodic table of elements. Obviously, this is important. We're going to take a photograph of this. Can I pull up a periodic table? I think I can decode this shit. Right? Okay, give me a periodic table. Here we go. So, number one is down here. Two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 5, 6. It's AM. Can I write this down? I have a pencil here. I can just use my notes notepad. There you go. Okay, so it's AM. Oh, sorry, capital AM. It's Americium. Great, good name. That's the first one. Then the second one is here. So this one, and then down here it's S. AMS. Right, so that's one down, and then this one, and then two, and then yeah, that's S. And then number three is this one. Is H, it's hydrogen. Number four is the second one down here. It's EA. Number five, oh my god, it's in the middle, man. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then two down. RE, rhenium. Right? So from this cutoff edge, oh, there's no cutoff edge in this table, man. Oh, whatever. Unknown properties. Is that why they're not there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, there's more than that, but whatever. This is RE, so that's fine. Good enough, I guess. Number six is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's GD. The hell is the name? Gadbism. Okay, whatever. And then right next to pi, it's U. Emulcifier. Okay, whatever. 8 is F. Fluorine, I think, right? Fluoride, what is this called? It is fluorine. Nice. I remember a little bit of chemistry. And then this one, and then how many down? 1, 2, 3 down. So third one is oxygen. 1, 2, 3 down is PE. All. Uh, Selenium. I think I haven't studied that one much. What is this one, right? 1, 2, 3. One down, two down, three down. Yeah. And then like so, it's Rn. It's Rn. Okay. Sure. And then I. 10, 11, then 12 with NE. That's all. A M S H P A R E G D U F T E R N I N E. That's what I got. I don't know if that helps. You got like chemical reactions and stuff and all sorts of things here. Bunsen burner. Multiple Bunsen burners. Oh, here we go. Oh, they had it for us. Wow. Okay. Well, maybe these are different than the ones I found online. Probably not though. Number one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's PU here. PU. Okay, so it's all different. Thank you. That's great. Number two over here. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. That is S. So that's the same. 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah. Okay. Number three. Oh, that's just that is push. That is push. Uh, 4 is the second one. That TH. And yes, I guess E. Number 5 is in the middle here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. RE. Push there. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2 RE. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and then it is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's right one. Okay. That's number 5. Number 6 is this one, EU. Right? Yeah, that's right. And then number 7 is below 4, side 4, TH, and then that's PA. Push there, EU, PA, UPA. Okay, and then this one, that's fluorine. So that was right. F. Number 8. Number 9 is it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, S, and then it is 2 below that. The TE. TE is number 9. The number 10 is RN. I. NE. So the rest of the same, just the first one was different. Right? No, this also was different. So all the bottom line was different. Push, PHRE, there, Yupa, Peter, and Aini. Doesn't make any sense. Push, there, PHRE. That's not the spelling of there. Yeah, I don't know what that means, man. Heating and cooling curves. H2O melting point at 0.1 ppt to 0.5 ppt. Melting point is 0 degrees, that's normal. Test 205 atmospheric pressure 93 kPa in Mount Holly freezer. Lab technician Randolph M. Complete thaw. Room temperature is unaffected. Color is unaffected. Cooler is unaffected. So they were doing some kind of temperature studies. And we do have a terminal here. Oh, there's a note. 1 second before I do this. Just a second. Effective immediately electronic mail can only be accessed via the security terminal. Nope, it cannot be accessed via security terminal. So research setup. In the laboratory, you are free to experiment by testing and combining different mechanics to create an original and unique house feature that will last until the end of the day. Okay. Each time you eat an apple, add a small chest to entrance hall. Whenever you spend 2 or more gems drafting a room, add a small chest. Whenever you draft an archive floor plan, lose 10 steps, gain 20 gold. Add a small chest to the entrance hall. Set your dice to 2. So I can just get dice whenever I spend gems. Whenever I eat an apple, set your dice to 2. Do you want to create and activate this experimental house feature? After approval, this experimental feature will remain active for the rest of the day. Start experiment. Can I do more? You cannot change parameters this time. Okay, okay, interesting. Research logs. No experiments found. Research logs will be available the day after an experiment has been performed. Okay. You can pause. You can log into network. I know the password is Silk Song. The hell was it? Swan Song. Okay. Swan Song. I know the password now. Connect me up. Staff services. I don't think anything works, right? Yeah, so temporarily disabled. Staff announcements. And then access to this network except Simon. We're all rooting for you. Yes. Schedule change. Temporarily disabled. Special orders. Place special order. Brass compass magnifying glass. Sleep mask trouble. Brass compass, please. Approve order again. I still don't know what the compass does, so we'll keep ordering until I know what it is. Staff services, anything else? Nope. Return to network menu. Remote terminal access. Other terminal actives. So none other are active, so can't access them. Electronic mail in the office only. Right, right, right. Then glossary of terms. Just that's just normal. Okay, I have nothing else to do. Log out. Push. PHREEU. Push. The hell is this? 56345645678. That means something? Yeah, but this needs additional power piped in from the boiler room. So we don't have the power, so this doesn't work. What an interesting room, though. Door is locked. Please use a key. This can give us access. So security room here. We don't have gems. So it has to be the storeroom. It we locked out of one side. At least now we have gems, so there is that. Whenever you spend 2 or more gems drafting a room, set your dice to 2. It's untested. But now I have gems, so there is that. And I think we are done with this entire chain now. We go back to the entrance hall. Okay, give me a sec. Alright, ready to run all the way back? We find a boiler room, I have to come back here. Gonna eat up a lot of steps, but it's fine. I have 5 coins now though. Yeah, there you go, coupon book. Draw floor plans leading north more frequently. Oh, that's what the compass does then. Interesting. We have a shovel and a metal detector. We can make the thing that we need. Even a workshop will work. But if I have a compass, I should just go north then. Bedroom helps me. I forgot about that. I got no money, so you can't do anything to me. Okay, and I think back to the start. The hallway, the coat check, or the courtyard. I say we go courtyard because we have a shovel and everything. And we just get a sledgehammer. Can shatter lock stuff. Pebbles. Come on. A coin. Just one, just a coin. Hallway, the gymnasium, and the kitchen. Give me the basic hallway. We're not in the west wing, are we? We're going straight. Well, I guess dark room it is. Utility room we do not have yet. Ah, shit. Well, gems though. Not bad. Yeah, the bunk room kinda locks us out. Yeah, no, before I start using any of these. So we water our gems. Study, you may spend gems to redraw 8 times. A dining room and a guest bedroom. Give me a dining room and dinner is served. Oh, that looks kinda nice. Country stew. We don't have a boiler room. Boiled chuck stew layered and then baked to perfection, topped with a mashed potato, parmesan, cheese crust. I shall have dinner. We got any more steps? Get back in the game. You can get a locksmith, a lavatory, or an observatory. Take me to an observatory. 3 gems gives me the slice. 3 steps. Okay. The slice. Okay, take me north. The nursery, security room, or the okay, the nursery or the guest bedroom as well. We have a compass pointing north. The security room is needed. Give me the security room. Now, we have been lucky, we've not encountered any of the bad stuff yet. Security, view estate inventory, we left nothing behind. The key card system. We'll set it to low for now. And then offline mode to be unlocked. Okay, and then inventory we saw already. And we can log into network. It is one song connected up to the network. Alright. Still cannot do electronic mail, unfortunately. Data transfers. Remote terminal access. So we can access the laboratory from this terminal. I'm just gonna do it just to see. Welcome to the laboratory. Experiment setup. It's working. Okay, that's fine. Fine. I would like a dead end here, like a bedroom, a gymnasium. Just throw me a lavatory. Okay, just get rid of it. Keep showing up in the draft. I don't want it in the draft. The right place to get rid of it. Now this is important. The East Wing Hall. I'm sorry, the East Wing Hall is just perfect for me. Apparently there were guests coming in and shit. We got bags here. What we got here? Oh, the breaker box. Would want that. Okay, put the garage on. The dark room on. The gymnasium is off. And this is off. There you go. Now we need not fear security doors. The dark room is on. We could go back there if we ever so desire. The pool adds locker room, sauna, and pump room. Conference room, library. Discover less common floor plans while drafting in the library. I have a gem. Let's go to the pool. I've never been to the pool. Nice. Got a banana. Got a net and everything. So, it's working. Control water flow throughout the estate. Tomorrow you will start with 20 more steps. Can I control the water flow throughout the estate? I don't know what for. Fountain, reservoir, aquarium, kitchen, greenhouse, pool. If we put it on, only one can be on at a time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pump control panel, water source selection. We've got a reserve tank. We've got a tank 1 with 4 units. Tank 2, pump 2, tank switch. Okay, that's 1, 2, and 3 pumps. There's a pump 4 somewhere on line 6. Right, and these two connect to the middle pump. Is that right? Yeah, they connect to pump 2. Okay, so we just put water away from the fountain. But the fountain is 1. Then 1 goes to pump 2. So I'll turn this around. Filling back into the fountain. I see. And now you want to suck water out. Now the pool should be the last one. But it goes through pump 4, which is no, we don't have access. Oh no, there it is. Connects to tank 1. Tank 1 is full though. I see. So two units out. Stop all the pumps. What the hell? What is this? This is the reserve tank. Okay. So the pool. Let's say you want to drain the pool. Does indeed get lower. Let me try something else. I want to try emptying it entirely. Let's try emptying the pool, see what happens. So we can transfer it between, right? Also, yeah. What I can do is let's dump all this in the kitchen. The kitchen is 1, 2, 3, 4. Kitchen is the fourth one. Fourth one goes to tank 2. Okay. controlled by pump 3. Okay, so let's flood the kitchen with 2 units of water. The greenhouse, which is the second last one, goes in through pump 1 to tank 1. Yep, push that water in. Greenhouse is full of water. Okay, just ensuring. There you go. So now I can say, Mr. Pool, sorry, pool goes through pump 4 to tank 1. Sorry. That's another 4 units gone. Now we can dump another unit to the kitchen. What we really want is to dump them from this one to this one. On transfer it. Pump to tank switch. Oh, and then pump 2 is from things from 1 and 2 go to pump 2. The reservoir and the fountain. Okay. Then I can say your water, pump that into the fountain. Hell yeah, bro. We're learning. I want to empty out the pool. I want to flood the kitchen. Okay, so switch that off. Go back to the pool. Suck that shit dry, brother. Oh my lord. Okay. Had money aplenty in there. Now that that is done, what else can I do? We can just drain the aquarium dry. We can flood the kitchen. So we can fill that water back. Pump 4 goes to tank 1. Don't work like that. Should, but it doesn't. So we can't transfer between tanks and send it out. Don't work like that. Okay. We have some water in here. Let's take it to the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen is the fourth one, the middle one. It goes straight to tank 2. Sorry, to pump 3, tank 2. So it has adequate supply. Done. And I do think about killing the aquarium. The aquarium is the third one. Third one connects to pump 1. Because, I mean, it's an aquarium. It's going to need water. It'd be fun to see what happens if I do that. Okay, we've drained the aquarium of water. Now we shall see. Gymnasium. The gymnasium, it has been disabled, so maybe it doesn't do the thing it does. It doesn't. Beautiful. Okay, so we can just disable it. It doesn't work like it should. I love it. Locker room. Spread keys throughout the house. Sauna, guest bedroom. Give me a locker room. There's so many lockers here. Yeah, but see, you need keys for this too, so. The rumpus room. Great hall with 7 locked doors. Maid's chamber. Can't afford this. 7 locked doors. The great hall. How about a maid's chamber? Okay. Walk-in closet, the archives, the guest bedroom. I mean, the archives is great, but that really screws with what I can do. Still have the pool. Guest bedroom really gives me more steps. Yeah, steps has not been an issue, like ever really. And I do enjoy that once you have turned this off, the freaking this thing is a joke. Oh, this is shit. Oh, this is actually just crap. There's nothing that goes north. Well, give me a damn sauna then, I guess. Incredible. Do we have a kitchen? I got a dining room. I don't think we have a kitchen. No, we do not. Now we have keys spread throughout the mansion. We have a locker room here. This locker is locked. Yeah, but there will be keys around now. Just may or may not have the wherewithal to get it. I also never came back here, did I? Oh great, we even had a electric key card here. All this money and for what? I mean, could be worth it to, I don't even know, man. To the garage, I don't have the keys here, but can open up this door. And I was going to the commissary, right. Why? I don't know. No real reason. All the keys in the world won't help me. I have no doors to go to. There you go, a short salt shaker. I bought everything that is just for sale, so I never found the boiler room. This won't work, right? Well, I guess we'll try and get out if possible. I don't think we can. Been an interesting day though. Don't think anyone can deny that. I will leave the house. Alright. Well, that was something. I think we'll call it a day here. Now we get our little thing. An impressive inn. 6 bedrooms. Yeah, I got stuck over there though. Right here. I was close to the antechamber. I got there, but like, and then the sauna came in. This dark room killed me with the bunk bed. We save and quit. Can I read about the new rooms anyway? Even from here? No? I think we have to go inside the game, right? Profiles. Oh. Well. It's multiple profiles. The saved data. Interesting. Alright, well, whatever. I'll see you in the next one.